Starting with chapter number 7, which is reporting. When you hear the word reporting itself, it is nothing but 700 series, right? 700 series, we have this much essays. Starting with essays 700, essays 700 is forming an opinion and reporting on financial statement. Here we are talking about unmodified opinion. This opinion can be given in fair presentation framework or compliance presentation framework. There are 13 elements in audit report, starting with title, ending with signature, place, date. Now 701, communicating key audit matter in independent auditor's report. These are selected from matters communicated with TCWG. This is mainly required for listed entities. Now, objective or purpose of communicating CAM is to enhance transparency, communicative value, additional information. But CAM is not a substitute. So in CAM, you are reporting mainly most significant matter like high risk accounting estimates or 705, dealing with modifications. This is one of the standard, which is your weapon. You will analyze the impact in accordance with SA 705. Qualified adverse disclaimer. Before giving this, you have to see whether the effect is material and we have to evaluate the pervasiveness. Okay. Regarding 706, it's talking about EOMP and OMP, which is nothing but emphasis of matter para and other matter para. Emphasis of matter para and other matter para will come only for a matter which is other than leading to modification. If it is modification, it will go in SA 705. If it is more significant to auditor, it will go in SA 701. So UMP will come only if, I'm saying about emphasis of matter para will come only if it is not a modification or can. Now regarding other matter para, it will come only if it is not precluded by, prohibited by law or can. For another matter para, other than in FSO, modification question does not arise. Now 710. 710 is regarding comparative information, which is prior period. Comparative information can be either corresponding figures or it can be comparative financial information. Finally, coming to essay 720, which is regarding other information. Other than those relating to FS and auditor's report. This 720 you will think in the exam hall mainly when you hear about the annual report, a matter in annual report. Now, one of the important phrases over there is, as an auditor, you have to read and consider the annual report, which is the other information, to find out whether there is any material inconsistencies between FS, other information, auditor's knowledge, other information appears to be misstated. If so, reporting requirement. Now, essay 260, we have already dealt earlier in chapter number 2. Now, duties of auditor. Duties of auditor means even though company audit chapter is removed, we have still 143 in detail. Starting with 143.1, which is duty to inquire, 143.2, which is auditor's duty to express opinion on true and fair view, 143.3, duty to state in auditor's report, 143.4, which is duty to state reasons. 143, 5 to 7. It is role of C and AG. 143, 8. Branch audit. 143, 9 and 10. Compliance with auditing standards issued by central government. 11 is CARO. 12 to 15 is reporting and duty regarding fraud. ADT 4. Now going to the CARO. CARO 2020. The driving section of CARO is 143.11. CARO has totally 21 clauses. CARO is applicable to all company except 5 company, which is exempt company, bank, insurance, OPC, small companies, Section 8, and private companies subject to 5 conditions. CARO has totally 21. Now, regarding the CARO, like I will say in a block, there are certain clauses relating to assets, like clause number 1, PPE, clause number 2, inventory. Certain clauses dealing with related party, which is clause number 3, loans, advances, investment, guarantee, security, clause 4, compliance of 185 and 186. Then clause 13, which is transaction with the related party, and clause 15, which is non-cash transactions with related party. Then you have after related party, dues related clauses, which is nothing but clause number 7, which is statutory dues, and clause number 9, repayment of dues. Then you have specific company related clauses like clause number 5, public deposits only for public company. 6, cost records only for manufacturing and producing company. Then what? After 6, clause number 6, we have Nidhi company. Yeah, clause 12 and NBFC clause 16. Then we have fraud related clauses, which is undisclosed income, clause number 8, undisclosed income. Then clause number 10, application, and clause number 11, which is fraud. This is fraud related. Balance I'm putting as others, which is 14, internal audit. 17 is cash losses. 18 is resignation of auditor. 19 is regarding going concern. 20, unspent CSR. And 21 is consolidated financial statements audit. Wow, that was chapter number 7 regarding reporting. All good?